How to start SMS text blasting using XLeads. What is going on, guys? Zach in here, the founder of XLeads. What I want to do today is show you how quickly and easily you could start SMS text blasting sellers in 2026 using XLeads, the ultimate wholesaling real estate software. Now, you're probably watching this video because you want to get started doing SMS texting, and you might be a little confused of how this process works, and it might seem a little overwhelming. What I want to do in this video is show you how easy it is to go out here and start SMS text blasting. We're going to go over 8 simple steps on how you could start texting sellers easily today so you could start making a ton of money. Now remember, you could start text blasting 10 people a day, 100 people a day, 1,000 people a day. It's really customized for you, the real estate investor or wholesaler. Now, because XLeads has had their mega update and has the best skip tracing in the game, XLeads is the ultimate wholesaling software. Now, we have to get an understanding of how texting works inside of XLeads. Now, if you compare how XLeads does their texting compared to all these other SMS blasting software companies, you're going to be pretty surprised. XLeads is 3, 4, even 5 times cheaper than everybody else. And we use Twilio, which pretty much all the other competitors use. Not everyone, but most of them. So we give the power to you. Now, XLeads has 2 primary softwares that are built upon it. There's the proprietary leads side of the software, which provides you the leads, the comping, the data that every real estate investor and wholesaler needs. And then there's the CRM section, which is built on top of Go High Level. This is where you're gonna add your leads in the CRM. You can take your leads from the leads tab into the contacts tab with one seamless click, opt them in yourself, use the deal board, e-sign, dialer, texting, you know, the whole drill here. Now, what's really cool is the Go High Level section that we built upon XLeads has the lead tab inside of it. So it's all in one. There's no multiple logins or too much confusion. It's all right there for you. But understanding that most of the technology for the texting is built with Go High Level, any Go High Level or GHL texting tutorials that you see on YouTube or social media, pretty much gonna be the same for XLeads. If you're using a Go High Level CRM that's probably way more expensive than XLeads, you're more than happy to transfer to XLeads for free. Just pay the $97 for XLeads to be good to go. Now, the absolute game-changing part that XLeads has over anybody else that's built on top of Go High Level is, first and foremost, you get the data included for only $97 a month, 25,000 skip trace records, comping data, you know it, the whole entire drill here. But what's really important here, and for anybody who has any confusion with SMS text blasting, is we have right here our 24-hour live chat support. And this is very important we utilize this, because if you have any questions on how to text, what are the automations, how tagging works, any question at all, guys, all you have to do is click this button right here and get in front of a live chat support agent. You're able to do this 24/7. My favorite part about this is we also do live 24-hour Zoom support. So if you can't get your questions answered for a live chat support agent 24/7, you can schedule a Zoom and our XLeads team will hop on a Zoom and help you with any possible questions you have with texting. Maybe you might not know, how do I go from doing 50 texts a day to 100 texts a day? How do I change my scripts? How do I know my contact rate? How do I know how many got sent? That's all in there so you could start having success. So that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do to start texting is we need to buy a phone number. So the general rule of thumb that I've found, and this is Zach in the wholesaler that has closed over 4,000 wholesaling deals, that does a lot of texting. Generally, for every 100 texts you send per day, you should have one number. So if you're planning on sending 300 text messages a day, you should probably buy 3 phone numbers. If you're looking to send 1,000 text messages a day, you should buy at least 10 phone numbers. And if you're kind of crazy, you want to spend 100,000 text messages every single month, which is like 3,000 to 4,000, 30 to 40 numbers. Now, the best way to buy a phone number right here is you are going to go to the settings tab. You are going to go to the phone system tab and press add a number. So make sure you do it in your area code or zip code of choice. And all you're going to do is go to filters right here, match any part of the number. So press first part of the number. And let's say we want to do the 561 area code. Press apply, and you go out here and buy as many area codes as you want. You can choose Delray Beach, press proceed to buy, and then buy a phone number. Then from there, for every single phone number you have, you're going to want to what we call verifying the number, which is pretty much registering the phone number with all these carriers to make sure that it doesn't come up as spam. It says a super important, and it helps your delivery rate like crazy. So cool part about XLeads, you can do it all from the platform. So you're gonna press settings, you're gonna go to phone system, and then you're gonna go to trust center, And right there, you can do your shaken and stir, your voice integrity, and your CNAME voice. Now, on top of that too, you should go to this website called Free Caller Registry and register every single phone number with the free call registry. Now, the last thing you have to do is register your phone numbers with these companies, and then you have to what we call officially register your company with the phone carriers. And you're going to do an application to person, which again is called A2P. Now, most people freak out. They're like, A2P is the most crazy, stressful thing in the world, and it is going to be the end of you. And let me just tell you the dang truth, guys and gals. A2P is brutal. It's bad. It is going to be the worst thing ever if you don't have XLeads. So I'm kind of kidding here, but I'm not, like, legit. With XLeads, the A2P process is done within 5 minutes at most, and it's really easy. The A2P process actually takes hours and hours and hours and is long, strenuous, and is brutal. That's why we have our XLeads A2P team literally do it absolutely for you completely for free. All you have to do is pay the A2P application fee, which is about 20 bucks. To be honest, for about 30 bucks a month, that's pretty much all it's going to cost you to start SMS text blasting on XLeads. Your $20 for your XLeads A2P application. And then you're probably going to roughly pay 15 bucks a month to host a website that we actually will build for you. And it's done pretty quick. So let me show you how to do your A2P approval. So you can go right here, and obviously you can start your registration and do your A2P yourself. I'm telling you right now, if you do it, you probably have a 30% chance of getting it approved. And then if you don't get approved, you have to pay 20, even 40 bucks again, and just reapply, and hopefully you get approved, which sucks. The cool part about the XLeads team is we'll do the A2P application for you. We have about a 90 to 95% first time success rate. So within 3 days, you're ready to go. And if you get denied, we'll reapply for you for free. You won't have to pay any more A2P application fees. And we're going to resubmit for you and resubmit until you get approved. So don't do the A2P yourself. Literally all you need to get your A2P approval is get an EIN number. You can search that on Google. And then you have to set up your website, which is done for you with XLeads. So to set up a website, all you're going to do is press sites right here, press your A2P compliant website. And all I have to do is buy a domain and then host it on WordPress. So you're going to press settings. You're going to go purchase a domain. I already have one right here, but purchase the domain. Look for, Ed buys the best homes Miami.com. I don't know, something stupid. Press search, and Ed buys the best homes Miami.com is available, 12 bucks a year. You can get a cheaper one if you want. But yeah, you can press the button right here, buy the domain, go back to sites, click the domain, get it connected. And if you also own a domain through GoDaddy, you can just press connect domain, and you can connect your own domain with GoDaddy and other services right here, which is really cool. And then from there, you just got to go out here and host it on WordPress, which is really simple. Just click sites again, press WordPress right here, and then press activate WordPress, and boom, you now have a live website. Now, if you want to go edit your website, go back to your site right here. You can click it right here on edit. Make it all fancy, sexy, add your picture. I mean, you guys, you can do whatever you want. This is your website. You get a bunch of SEO for it, and really build your own site right here. You connect your domain right here. There's actually my live link, and it's done right for you. Then press publish, and boom, you are live. You can add your SEO and everything like that. Now, to get the application started, you just go to the live chat support on the bottom right-hand corner right here. Start a session with our AI, and our AI is going to want to know what's going on. You can say, I want to get A2P approved. And what you want to ask is, can you do an email support ticket so I can get A2P approved now? And what's going to do, the AI is going to analyze your message and send it to the right person. So we're going to resend that again. And boom, we got in front of Aga right here, who is a live chat support agent. And as you can see already, I did a live tutorial with somebody about this the other day. So I said, I want an email ticket to submit A2P. And he said, okay, just send us your CP7575, which is basically your EIN letter confirmation, and then boom, they're going to get your email and their email back and forth and get your A2P approved like that in a jiffy or a snap. Then from there, you're going to get A2P approved in a couple days and you're ready to start texting. Now, again, this is more of, Zach coaching you how to do wholesaling real estate. So you can do texting however you want. Again, my biggest recommendation, go to the leads tab here. Make sure you do one of our AI lists. Our AI drawing for dollars is great on the SkyDrive. Our AI sellability scores is awesome. But again, the cream of the cream, probably the best you're going to have is just on this import file right here. Import as many government lists as you can. Pre-foreclosures, code violations, fire damage properties, water shutoffs, evictions, whatever you want. That is going to be the absolute best type of list to be texting and really pull as many as you possibly want. What's really cool here is with our brand new features that we have to start texting when you import a list, whatever list you possibly have, maybe it's an online list, a bandit sign list, a list of just government lists, whatever it is, you can press export to contacts tab right here, connect your CRM, and literally all the leads that you imported, you can literally just send it straight from here into the contacts tab. Now, when you do import from that instant tag right there, the leads are going to have be enabled, which isn't good. That means you can't call or text them because XLeads doesn't know if these leads are opted in or not. So if you actually want to remove the D&D from this list, so let's say you imported 2,000 leads from XLeads and you want to remove the D&D from them, which you automatically have. So I'm assuming you're opting these leads in and they're actually ready and they've said they wanted you to reach out to them or whatever you want to do. You can go into automation to make your own removal D&D automation. Again, we don't do this for you. We need you to do this for yourself because the liability needs to be on you here. I'm not going to opt these leads in for you. So you can make your own remove D&D for texting automation right here. And all you're going to do is add a trigger and search contact created, press save trigger, add another endpoint right here and search D&D, enable D&D, disable D&D. And you're going to disable D&D for all channels right here. Then you're going to publish it and save it. And pretty much what this means is you're going to go back into contacts. And if you have a certain filter, you can filter it out here. You can literally select all the properties that you currently have, press trigger automation, and you can add the workflow remove D&D right here. And boom, add the automation, and then the D&D is going to be cleared out for all the leads. But it's up to you to do that. We're not going to automatically do it for you here. That's how you import, export the data. The real question is, how do you start texting? Well, texting is pretty simple. All you have to do is just add the tag SMS Blaster. So right here from the contacts tab, if I want to text, let's say I want to tag all of the properties when I exported them. So let's actually go back to leads and just show you from scratch. Let's say I want to pull a list in the 34952 area code. I want to filter them all out. So let's go to filter and maybe we want to go out here and this is my AI zip code, pull list of anything that's like a 750 or more, 243 properties. So I'm going to select all right here. We're going to create our new AI list of 243 properties and I want to start texting these people. What I'm going to do is I'm going to export to contacts tab and I'm going to add a custom tag here so I remember this list when I put it in my contacts. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a tag, April 2026 SMS list. And so I know I'm going to SMS this list and the date of the property. So I'm going to go add that as a tag, April 2026 SMS list. So I need to remember to SMS these people. And then I'm going to export to the contacts tab right here. And they all got added right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable the D&D for all these lists. So let's go out here to filter, advanced filters right here. Let's go by our tag. So press tag. We're going to go by tag. Tag is April 2026 SMS list. Awesome. And let's press apply. So this is our whole entire April 2026 list. So let's first make sure that all of these properties are not D&D. So we're going to go out here, test. We're going to remove D&D from these people just in case for texting. Awesome. So how in the world are we start texting them? We just got to add the tag SMS Blaster and boom, we start texting them. So we're going to press select all here, add a tag, and all we're going to do is press SMS and tag the properties SMS Blaster. And then from there, these leads are going to be texted by us right there. Done. Now, how does the SMS Blaster automation work? Well, you can go out here and edit it yourself. Just press automations right here, go to the SMS folder, go to our SMS bulk drip, and right there, when you tag a property SMS Blaster, it's going to drip 250 texts per day. You can change this if you want to do 100 texts per day, change it right here. I'm not going to really do it for you, but you can change it right there. It's going to drip 30 out per hour. And then the SMS blasting is done through these contacts with these scripts right here. Now, if you're somebody who wants to change them like crazy, you can press SMS, copy this, stick this into ChatGPT and make multiple different types of scripts yourself and test them out and just make sure that if you do it, they have the custom values of the contact first name and the contact address. Then from there, it's going to start bulk dripping the text from there. You're going to have a ton of success. Now, there's other creative automations you can make. If you're like a big nerd about this stuff, you'd be like, well, Zach, I want to change the type of text message that gets sent out. I want to change the phone number for every text so they auto rotate. I would highly recommend you ask ChatGPT how to do this. It gets a little more advanced, and if I put this on the standard bulk drip blaster, it'll be very confusing for a lot of beginners. But if you're somebody who wants to auto rotate phone numbers and do more of an advanced texting system, check out AI and other Go high level texting tutorials, and and you're gonna start texting absolutely like an expert. But like just like this, 100, 200 a day is all you need to start having a bunch of SMS text blasting success. Now, the last part here is actually looking at your results here. So if you're somebody who wants to go out here and figure out, oh my gosh, what scripts work, what don't, you can literally go out here and on this script, you can press statistics. And you're gonna see your delivery rate, your click rate, your fail rate, your opt-out rate for each type of script. You can either go back out here to under settings, under phone system, under messaging and messaging analytics, and all your analytics are gonna be right here. Also, when you start SMS text blasting, you're gonna have certain limits for compliance reasons. Your first level is gonna be 100, so you can only send 100 text messages. It's gonna pause you for the rest of the day. Then the next day, it's gonna allow you to have 250, 500, 700, 1500, 2200, 3000, 3000 plus, and you level up so your messaging ramp progresses for the compliance. Now, for some reason, if you are texting too much, your opt-out rate's too much, and Twilio wants to suspend you for the texting, your restriction history is going to be right here, and you can see exactly why or what's going on. And you can ask our 24-hour live chat support. We're more than happy to help you out on this journey. Now, on top of that too, you have your messaging compliance. So you can change your sender information. You can change your SMS compliance opt-out languages and many other things. I'm not getting into that. You can do it all yourself and research it. But XLeads is the ultimate tool for starting to text blast motivated sellers in 2026. And if you're ready to get started, make sure you go to XLeads.com and get the best SMS text blasting software. And like always, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.